Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video I'm gonna show different paper art decoration ideas, and it is very amazing and stylish, and I hope you like it. You can see it is very beautiful and interesting paper decoration ideas you can make easily at home for paper decoration ideas. So please do not forget my YouTube channel, and please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and share your friends and family members.